Leaders in the Senate majority are mulling how to proceed in the event an arrest warrant is released by the ICC for the alleged co-perpetrators of crimes of humanity entailed in the bloody war versus illegal drugs campaign of the previous administration. Then again, a ruling from the Supreme Court on whether local court approval is necessary to uphold and execute an ICC arrest warrant will facilitate the Senate's decision on the matter. Meanwhile, an unfazed Senator Christopher Go says he will not hide and run away from an arrest warrant, unlike his long missing and co-accused colleague. As we hear more from our Luisa Irispe.
But there's nothing concrete na nakikita. Why will I say what I think? Di ba? So I'll cross the bridge when I get there.
This was the response of Senate President Vicente Sotto III when asked whether the Senate would deliberate on their course of action should the International Criminal Court or ICC proceed to issue warrants of arrest against Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa and Senator Christopher Bongo. This comes after the names of Senators Go and de la Rosa were recently cited as co-perpetrators in the ICC case against former President Rodrigo Duterte concerning alleged crimes against humanity during the previous administration's war on drugs. However, Senate President Soto maintained that while he remains open to convening a caucus to reach a consensus on the next steps, he will not be the one to initiate it. Other members of the upper chamber have expressed their support to such a move.
Are there members who would want a caucus? Then I'll call the caucus. Hindi pa, pero hindi ko pangungunahan.
Kailangan namin pag-usapan siguro yun. Ano ba talaga? Kasi may mga comments, mga tao, mga side comments. We have to ask the Senate leadership.
Senate President Pro Tempore Panfilo Lacson insisted that under the Constitution, senators enjoy immunity from arrest while Congress is in session, provided the penalty for the alleged offense is 6 years or less, a position concurred with by Senator Risa Hontiveros.
Ang tradisyon ay hindi inaaresto ang senador dito habang may sesyon. Kung nagkakaroon na ng kalituhan doon, inaasahan ko, pag-uusapan sa caucus namin yung tradisyong iyan.
Senator Lacson further clarified that it remains uncertain whether this immunity would cover Senators De La Rosa and Go, as the current session concludes on June 6, while the ICC's confirmation of charges is scheduled for February 23 to 27. Meanwhile, the minority bloc is not waiting for a formal caucus. They are already drafting a resolution on asserting that Philippine courts must be accorded due respect.
Ang essence, ang spirit ng ating konstitusyon ay kung may problema, pwede kang tumakbo sa Philippine courts. So hindi naman pwede na pag sinabi ng ICC o kahit anong international court na may arrest, dadamputin mo na lang dito, dadalhin mo sa ibang bansa.
The minority is currently finalizing the draft of said resolution. Despite the speculation surrounding the potential arrest warrants, Senator Bongo says he is undeterred. However, he maintains that the allegations leveled against him by the ICC are profoundly unjust.
Hindi naman po ako takot dahil wala naman po akong kasalanan. Kaya po ako naririto ngayon dahil wala po akong kasalanan. Iba po ang aking trabaho. I firmly dispute the allegations in that document, which are entirely unfounded at one-sided at napaka-unfair naman po yun sa parte ko.
The senator added that he has no intention of going into hiding or neglecting his duties in the Senate, stating that his work will continue uninterrupted. Luisa Irispe from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.